Well, I finally broke it. I was cutting down some stormed down trees on one of my last cuts right here. This sprung towards me and hit the chain stop. I mean, it did its job, but it obviously is broken. It's broken. So we gotta fix that. The chain's dull, but it's still running okay. So let's go fix it. Took the chainsaw apart, gave it a good cleaning, and noticed something. The bar is bent. So that incident earlier must have been worse than I thought. So we gotta figure out how to straighten that back out. Okay. It was nothing a little bench vise couldn't solve. So we'll take our level, stick it back on. Pretty straight, or good enough. Okay, here's a better shot. We're like perfectly straight. Okay, here's a trick I learned years ago. Use super glue, glue back the pieces that you need to reattach, then dump pure baking soda onto the super glue and watch how it works. The super glue and baking soda react and it creates something that is actually stronger than plastic. The baking soda causes the super glue to instantly dry and what you're left with is a compound that is way stronger than the plastic that Temu used to make this. See? The super glue is instantly dry and incredibly strong. That's not gonna break. It's not a pretty fix, but it'll work. And just like that, chain guard's fixed. That's not gonna break. We got the hand guard fixed, we got the bar straight, and since this Temu chainsaw, the Chainsaw 5200, uses a steel size chain, we can use a steel chain sharpener. If you've never used one of these are amazing, especially if you have a vise. You just stick it in, you go this way on these teeth, go this way on the other teeth, and you're done. I start by marking the teeth with anything to know where I started and where to stop. This little file will get your chainsaw chain super sharp real quick. Alright, let's get this finished up. Alright, the saw's back and working. It worked fine. I'm running out of daylight, so I'm going to wrap things up here. Yeah, it worked fine. Super glued the chain stop back together, straightened the bar, sharpened the chain. Working fine.